Before buying a remote control plane, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1:4DRC RC plane bestseller. Let's kick things off with the 4DRC RC plane. Priced at $29.58, this best-selling model caught my attention because of its fun features and ease of use. If you want an exhilarating flying experience right out of the box, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has various fun modes like aerobatic rolls, headless mode, and altitude hold, which means you can easily control it and perform impressive tricks without being a pro. Plus, it's made of lightweight, durable foam, so it can survive bumps and drops, which is crucial if you or your kids are just starting out. With over 5,000 units sold in the past month and a solid 4.0 star rating from 535 reviews, it's clear that people are loving it. Now, some people complained about the battery life not lasting long enough for extended play. Here's the thing though, for a beginner plane, those initial flights might be all you need to get hooked on flying. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun way to introduce flying to your kids or just want to relive some childhood memories. Skip this one if you're after a more advanced, feature-rich model. Honestly, for $29.58, it offers great value. Now, if the battery life of the 4DRC RC plane bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with extended flight time. Product number 2, 4DRC Foam RC Plane Budget Option. Next up is another 4DRC model, the Foam RC Plane, priced at $25.49. It's a budget-friendly option that still delivers a lot of fun. If you're after an affordable way to get into remote control flying, then this one's worth a serious look. What's cool about this plane is that it offers similar features to its pricier sibling, like altitude hold and 3 speed modes, making it easy for anyone to control. That means you won't struggle to keep it in the air, even if you're just a beginner. It's also made from durable foam, so crashes are less of a worry. With a solid 4.0 star rating from the same number of reviews, it's clear this model is popular too. However, some users have noted that it can be tricky to control in windy conditions. But honestly, for just over $25, it's still a fantastic entry point into the hobby, and perfect for calm days. This is perfect for kids or adults who want to start flying without breaking the bank. Skip this if you're looking for something with advanced features or longer battery life. For the price, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something a bit more robust. Product number 3, Busco RC Helicopter. Now we're moving on to the Busco RC Helicopter, which is priced at $39.99. This one caught my eye because it combines fun with impressive stability. If you want a helicopter that stays put while you enjoy the view, this is worth a serious look. The standout feature here is its upgraded gyro system, allowing it to hover steadily. That makes it easier for beginners to manage. Plus, with 2 batteries included, you can enjoy up to 34 minutes of flight time, which is impressive for this price range. The 4.2 star rating from 2,200 reviews shows that many people are satisfied with this purchase. Some users have mentioned that the lights can be a bit distracting, especially when flying indoors. Here's the thing though, if you're flying outside during the day, they won't be an issue at all, and they add a fun visual element that kids love. This is perfect for kids aged 8 and up who want an engaging indoor flying experience. Skip this if you're looking strictly for a plane, as it's a helicopter. For what it offers, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're craving something a bit more advanced for serious aerial photography, then you'll want to hang tight for the next product. Product number 4, 4DRC V32 Foam RC Plane. Let's check out the 4DRC V32 Foam RC Plane, priced at $29.69. This model caught my attention due to its flashy features and fun tricks. If you want a plane that's not only easy to fly, but also impressively fun, this is worth a serious look. With 360-degree flips and bright LED lights, this plane stands out in the sky and offers thrilling aerial stunts. Plus, it's user-friendly, making it ideal for both kids and adults. The soft foam construction adds durability, so you won't have to worry about it breaking after a few crashes. With a 4.1 star rating and over 1,000 sales last month, it's another favorite in the community. One downside is that some users feel the controls can be a bit sensitive, leading to unexpected movements. But honestly, that sensitivity can also make it more exciting once you get the hang of it. This is perfect for anyone wanting to impress with tricks and lights. Skip this if you prefer a more straightforward flying experience. For the price, it's a great deal for fun. Alright, that was an entertaining choice. But if you're serious about capturing stunning visuals from above, the next product number 5, DJI Neo 2 Fly More Combo. Finally, let's talk about the DJI Neo 2 Fly More Combo, priced at $429. This isn't just any remote control aircraft. It's a serious piece of tech designed for stunning aerial photography. If you're serious about capturing high-quality aerial shots and want a reliable drone, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with 4K imaging capability and a smart tracking feature, this drone ensures your shots are always crisp and your subjects are perfectly framed. The palm takeoff and landing feature is incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. With a stellar 4.6-star rating from nearly 700 reviews, it's clear that this is a trusted option among enthusiasts. However, the price tag might be a bit steep for casual users. But here's the thing. If you're looking for quality and reliability in aerial photography, this investment could pay off in amazing ways. This is perfect for aspiring photographers and drone enthusiasts who want high-quality imagery. Skip this if you're just looking for something to toy around with. For what it offers, it's top-notch, but definitely on the pricier side. In conclusion, whether you're looking for budget-friendly options like the 4 DRC models or willing to invest in the DJI Neo 2 for professional quality, each of these planes brings something unique to the table. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of remote control planes, from the budget-friendly 4 DRC models to the more advanced DJI Neo 2. Each has its strengths depending on whether you're looking for fun, durability, or professional-grade photography. Choose the one that fits your needs, and you're sure to have a blast flying.